I'm Eric Mattei from matteirealty.ca. Welcome to beautiful Mississauga. We've got a gorgeous condo for you here at 1359 Rathburn Road East. It's the Capri. It's a beautiful modern building with tons of amenities. What's more is we have a stunning corner unit, number 809, that we'd like to show you details of. 1359 Rathburn Road East is in an incredible location. It's directly across from shopping. It's a stone's throw from the city center. There's transit at your doorstep. And what's more, just north of here, there's a dedicated Metrolinx associated transit line that makes express travel through Mississauga and into the city a lot easier. The Capri is an exceptional condominium building that's loaded with amenities, such as an indoor pool and hot tub. There's a library, a games room as well. There's also a full gym and a party room that features this kitchen behind me here that you can book at any time in order to entertain your guests. All this sun-filled ground level, so when you're using these amenities, you've got a beautiful south-facing light on you. It's a very comfortable feeling in such a modern and well-looked-after building. The Capri has a number of outdoor amenities that are quite convenient. This basketball court, there's a playground for the kids, a lot of surface visitor parking, which is ideal for convenience if you have guests or friends that are coming by just to say hello. And one thing I love, a Gatehouse security entrance. That means people are screened before they can even get into the grounds. One of the hallmarks that I always tell my clients pertaining to condominiums is convenience. You can't get more convenient than this. 2 parking spaces that are just right outside the entrance to the building. Groceries in your hands? No problem. Walk straight into the building from here. It's ideal. Welcome home. This is a spectacular corner unit with a south-facing view, open concept design, and it's beautifully fully renovated throughout. 809 represents one of the finest condominiums that you can find here in Mississauga, and we're going to show you why. This gorgeous corner unit has a beautiful entrance, the double mirrored closet, and an additional closet, tons of storage. It's a perfect entrance into a beautiful unit. What an incredible kitchen. You've got fridge depth pantry, quartz countertops, a breakfast area that's bathed in southwest views, and stunning design here at this kitchen. Totally open over the living area as well. Not to mention you can see right through to the lake just from the kitchen island area itself. Incredible value for a condominium. If you love to entertain, this is for you. You've got an open concept living and dining room that have south and southwest views that are bathed in sunlight, and they overlook a gorgeous gourmet kitchen. The primary suite offers a myriad of options for you. First and foremost, you can fit a king-size bed in here easily. It's a western view of the skyline, so you get gorgeous afternoon light. There's a full walk-in closet with organizers and a beautifully updated ensuite bath. What more could you want from a primary suite? The second bedroom is a large bedroom that's south-facing, again with tons of natural light. What's more is that there's a full bathroom that your guests can use, and the second bedroom is right beside it, which has also been renovated as well. If you're looking for exceptional balcony space for your unit, this is again for you. This is truly, truly unique. Being a corner, you have nothing but privacy here, but in addition to that, south views all the way to Lake Ontario, westerly sun-filled views of the city skyline of Mississauga, and there's enough room here for 2 Muskoka chairs, so you could have a table there if you want. Being on the 8th floor, it's a nice, beautiful, clean skyline view. You're gonna love this, believe me. Thank you for taking this tour with us. I had told you at the onset of the tour that you'd want to see this space and the building. 1359 Rathburn Road East is a stunning building. The Capri is loaded with amenities, it's well looked after, and has some unique features to it. The unit itself is a stunning corner unit with panoramic views, fully renovated with a gourmet kitchen and a primary suite. What more could you want? All this at an excellent price. If you'd like to see this unit or know more, you can contact us in several ways. Email by info@matteirealty.ca, view this property at our website at matteirealty.ca, or call us at 416-557-7653. That's 416-557-SOLD. I'm Eric Mattei. Thanks for taking this tour with us. Have a great day.